Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to carve text in Canva. It's super simple and great way to make your design stand out. Let's get into it. So first go to canva.com and then open a project. After that, on the left panel here you will see text. Just click on that and then add a heading. Now enter your text. Now select the text and then on the top right here you will see effect. Just click on that. Now on the bottom left here you will see card. Just click on that and then you can change the card position. You can increase or decrease and then you can change the outline. You can change the color and everything. And there you go. And now you have got that card text looking clean. Keep playing around with it and make something awesome. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple design tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.